Welcome to Golden Elite Deco. Today we delve into the transformative power of open shelves and wall-mounted shelves in creating an efficient and visually stunning bathroom. Join us as we explore the refined selection from Golden Elite Deco. In your bathroom, you'll find every detail contributes to an ambiance of sophistication. Enter open shelving, the epitome of style and accessibility. And when wall-mounted, they become not only a storage solution but an aesthetic statement. Imagine a shelf that's much more than a mere surface, a design choice that opens your space and your lifestyle. An open shelf invites you into a world where each item is showcased with purpose, like a personal gallery for your everyday essentials. Each piece in our collections, from the tactile allure of natural wood grains to the sleek, modern lines of a matte black metal, is curated to enhance your space. Wall-mounted shelves offer structured beauty and free valuable floor space. Whether it's the open shelf that beckons a minimalist charm or the wall-mounted variety that speaks of unseen anchors and floating elegance, Golden Elite Deco embraces your vision with our exceptional collections. We invite you to explore more at goldenelitedeco.com, where grace and practical design await you at every click.